Hello everyone, I am Selva Ganesh. I am from Rajapalayam. I am studying third year mechatronics in Kongu Engineering College. In this video, we are going to see about the Lami's theorem in engineer mechanics. Lami's theorem is each force is proportional to the sine of inclined angle of other two forces. The Lami's theorem is only applicable for coplanar force and concurrent force. In the coplanar forces, the line of action of all the forces passes through the single plane is coplanar force. Concurrent force is the line of action of all the forces passes through a single point is concurrent force. P by sine alpha is equal to Q by sine beta is equal to R by sine gamma is a Lami's theorem equation. PQR is three forces acting concurrently, alpha, beta, gamma are included angle. Thank you.